Peter Brymer here, Aquatic Lifestyles. Now we're almost done with the rock work on this Pondless project, so I'll show you around. Here we have the waterfall where it comes down the bank. We've got cascading water coming out through this spillway rock here, and it's split by this framing boulder right here. It'll come over this rock, big fall down there, drop over the side there and splash down over another cascade rock there. Then we come down to one wide cascade dropping out of that pool area down into this pool. From this pool we've got another cascade on the right hand side, and then it'll come through between the rocks just here, just a trickle through down into the bottom where the reservoir is. And then up the top we're having a bit of a pooling, large pool at the top here with a cascade right about here and a stream running right through with a small cascade dropping into the stream at the top where the water will bubble up from just behind there, come right down the stream over this cascade here and right down to the bottom.